Hello everyone, welcome here. Today I would like to teach you a simple technique how to make money online. Using ChatGPT support, the techniques I would like to share you as a software professionals. Yes, with the help of ChatGPT I am doing this session. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. Let's begin. So I asked ChatGPT to get an information how to make money online. See, there are many ways to get money online with the different methods. One is freelancing. Offer your skills, services, websites and Upwork, Fiverr and freelancing concepts and submit there to get the jobs from the all over the world. And second one, online surveys. Yes, participate online surveys, earn money with the websites like Swagbucks, Survey Juki, or Windle Research. Yes, by doing surveys reports, yes, you can earn the money. And selling products. Sell products on the website like Amazon, Etsy and eBay. You can either sell your own products or resell the products from the wholesale drop shippers. And affiliate marketing. Yes, promote others people products and services, earn commission each sale what you made it. And creating online courses. Create and sell online courses on websites like Udemy, Skillshare or Teachable. Yes, you can earn money. Online tutoring. Offer your knowledge and expertise by tutoring students. Online websites like Chegg and TutorMe and VipKid. So using these, you can share your knowledge and by earning. Blogging. Start a blog and monetize through the advertising, affiliate marketing or sponsored of the content. Definitely you can start revenue generating from these. And remember, this making online takes time and effort. You will need a put of the work and build your skills, create your product and services and portfolio you have to create, and you should aware the market what you are. Make a target of audience and continuous service and work you have to present over there. I wish you good luck. If you feel this video lecture is helping you at any cost of the time, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.